Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. I've got something interesting to share with you guys today. Pastor engages in a boxing match with a demonic spirit during deliverance service. A Nigerian prophet, Pastor Odumeje, went on a Royal Rumble streak during a church service when he fought an evil spirit. A young man who was possessed by a demon threw Pastor Odumeje a challenge, and his bid to prove God has the ultimate power. He engaged him in a boxing match. The spirit further commanded Pastor Odumeje to descend into the church premises or risk being beaten to a pulp by him. A video of the Pastor Odumeje punching without mercy the evil spirit with the Holy Ghost fire. Pastor Odumeje eventually won the match. This is serious, guys. So guys, that's it. See what is happening now in our country. Our pastor is now fighting a boxing match with a demon. It is getting serious, man. So share your thoughts in the comment section. If you're a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also stay tuned for more updates on entertainment gist happening around. Until next time, guys.